use my vision to listen to streaming music. When I'm standing in line at the bank.
I use my vision to watch TV clips of what I just did out there. Dude, freaky.
You tell him, Johnny.
I use my vision to send pictures of girls with cool hair to my stylist. Oh, I found these bangs on 4th and Broadway.
That's a good look for you.
Sprint PCS Vision services are easy and amazing things you'll really use. Get unlimited access to Sprint TV, music, pictures, web, video, and more for one low monthly fee. Sprint PCS. Now that's better.
John and Jane Smith are like most couples, but they each are hiding something the other would kill to know.
She's not your wife.
She's the enemy.
Message is transmitted at the request of the St. Louis Police Department, in conjunction with the Missouri National Guard, and the A citywide lockdown order has been issued for all neighborhoods within the St. Louis area effective immediately. Your life is in extreme danger. At 1:10 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the eastern St. Louis checkpoints have been breached by hostile entities. The following breached checkpoints include Interstate 55, Interstate 64, U.S. Route 40, the Washington Avenue Edge Bridge, Interstate 70 Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Bridge, and the McKinley Street Bridge. These entities are known to show extremely aggressive behavior and will attack and kill anyone in their sight. All residents in the St. Louis area must seek shelter in their location immediately. Please follow the following precautions carefully that will be shown on your screen momentarily. This broadcast will now go silent for your safety.